If you have a huge amount of data and a computer that is able to define what average and common price movements look like, you can create a system that is able to significantly increase your probabilities. Today, all I have to do is to look at my statistics from time to time, and I need to check if my systems are running about once or twice a week. Most indicators have been invented when average people had to trade on a daily chart, but today your computer is able to do it in a few seconds. Humans decide based on emotions because we are not so good at calculating to make a rational decision. An expert advisor can get results without much human effort because your expert advisor will trade whatever you tell him without you sitting in front of the screen. Most people trade too big position sizes on too big accounts. A small change like a floating type variable for risk settings can make such a big impact for the results. Problems are unavoidable. No matter what you do, at some point you will make a mistake. For a micro lot trade, I allocate at least $200 of capital. So with an account size of $1,000, I would only allow 5 open positions at the same time. Demo accounts are free. You can get one within the next 5 minutes, and it is the most effective thing to avoid big losses in the future. Are you happy with the profits on your account? Are you happy when 1 or 2 trades are better than expected? For discretionary traders, it will take them years to come up with a significant number like, say, 5,000 to 10,000 trades. Today, I can build better algo trading systems. Actually, it is not that hard to do if you know what works and why it works. I think that non-automated trading goes against human nature. You might start to do it because of the excitement. When I started out with algorithmic trading, my biggest problem was to create a system that could produce profits on a consistent basis. Computers have been used to create the market. They send you the price data, and that data is recalculated to draw it on your own computer screen. So why do you think you should trade it manually? Sadly, most traders want to go all in, and that is one of the reasons why most people fail. Do you know your expectancy? In Germany, you can expect to wear just a t-shirt in the summer, but in the winter you would expect to wear warm clothes. Trading manually, mistakes seem to be unavoidable. I simply was unable to improve my results. Charts are drawn to represent numbers, and they do it on a relative, not on an absolute basis. If you look at a MetaTrader chart, you will see that the price never reaches the upper or lower border of the chart. I think most people would be able to come up with a good trading recipe if they decided to invest the time, money, and effort it takes to achieve the desired result. One of my systems went out of business on January 16, 2015, the same day when my former British broker declared bankruptcy. A loss hurts, so people close a position and watch the price move into their direction immediately afterwards. Has that happened to you? In January 2015, the Swiss National Bank decided to give up the fixed exchange rate with the euro. That caused one of the biggest forex earthquakes in history.